Annakarenina 1996 TV series. Annakarenina, stylized as Annakarenina, is a Philippine television drama series broadcast by GMA Network. Directed by Gil Tejada Jr., it stars Antoinette Taus, Sunshine Dizon, and Kim Delos Santos in the title role. It premiered on November 10, 1996 on the network's Sunday afternoon lineup, replacing Lovingly Yours, Helen. The series concluded on April 28, 2002, with a total of 286 episodes. It was replaced by Kahit Kailan in its time slot. A remake was aired in 2013. Cast and characters. Lead cast: Antoinette Taus as Annakarenina, Ana Serrano Monteclaro, and Annakarenina Monteclaro/Victoria Beckbeck. Sunshine Dizon as Annakarenina Karen Villarama. Kim Delos Santos as Annakarenina Nina Fuentabella. Supporting cast: Pinky Amador as Margarita Manu Monteclaro, Rosemary Gil as Dona Carmela Cruz Monteclaro, Chingoy Alonso as Don Zernan Monteclaro, Maritoni Fernandez as Ruth Monteclaro, Ding Dong Dantes as Brix, Polo Ravales as Vincent, Dino Guevara as Brian, Tania Garcia as Annakarenina, Grace San Victor's recurring cast: Katia Santos as Carla, Harold Macasero as Aldrin, Toby Alleger as Abel, Matt Ranello Roman III as Raul, Sarina Lopez de Leon as Nada, Ann Curtis as Ginny, Chubay del Rosario as Benji, Joan Quintas as Melissa Cruz, Marky Lopez as Dennis, Fibuano as China, Christine Garcia as Agnes, Asa Marquez as Samantha, Raman Recto as Jim, Red Sternberg as Milo, Moy Taylor as Bridget, Vivian Foz, Dimples Romana as young Carmela Cruz Monteclaro, Rita Avila, Rufo Mi Quinto as Chona, Cheska Diaz, Gloria Diaz,